That is it for this thing. Probably just dulled my blade. Oh wow. Okay. Ha ha ha. That's a big thing that is done. Get away from what I was doing. Do so. Whoa, look at that eagle. Woo! That's amazing. Look at that eagle. I hope you can see those two of them. Oh, look at the family of eagle. That's cool. I think those are golden eagles. Wow. Woo! I hope you can see that on camera. That's fantastic. Wow. Eagles and hawks are my spirit animals. This might be bald eagles. I think that one has a white head. I think that's bald. That's a bald. I think that's a bald eagle. I think the females don't have white heads. That's it's a family. That's so cool. Hawks typically my spirit animal, but I connect with eagles pretty well too. I think all birds have a very deep connection with all birds. When we first got here to this house, I ended up taking care of a baby dove that had fallen out of a tree. Took care of him until he was old enough to leave, and he didn't want to leave. He'd come to our back door and sit on the chair out here, look in the window, be like, hey, you gonna let me in again? The doves aren't the nicest birds, you know, and you know, for good reason. So he still had a lot of fight in him. He still wanted to peck me and flap at me, you know, hit me with his wing whenever I was trying to help him. That's the whole thing, you know. There are literal birds of prey flying around out here, and they will eat your if you weren't strong enough to deal with them. So I'm like, yeah, dude, keep that fight in you. And I didn't try to domesticate him or anything, because I didn't plan on keeping him. especially with viruses going on, avian viruses. You know, I just basically fed him, watered him, and he has some stuff on his wing, like he may have hurt his wing. So he was with us for about maybe 1 or 2 weeks, and then eventually I had to let him go because he started getting more aggressive. And I'm like, dude, if you're that aggressive at this point, you can fly your ass out of here. And said, let him go. He didn't want to go, but it's like, dude, you are not a domestic animal. You are a freaking wild bird. And you know, you have to keep that aggressive, that protectiveness, that, you know, ability to defend himself. And I don't want to kill that in him, because killing that in a wild animal is literally killing them. They need that aggression. They need that ability to fight. They cannot get soft, because you get soft out here, you get eaten. Poetic. And all day, but this